In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to remove green screen in Photoshop using the updated AI tools. Start by opening your image in Photoshop. Go to Properties panel, click on the search icon, and select Remove Background, or search for Remove Background in the search bar. Photoshop will automatically detect the subject and create a clean cutout using the newest AI model, as you can see here. If any green spill remains, go to Select and Mask, scroll down to Decontaminate Colors, and turn it on to remove leftover green edges. Use the Refine Edge brush tool inside Select and Mask to clean hair or detailed areas and adjust smooth, feather, and shift edge until the cutout looks clean and natural. Set the output to New Layer with Layer Mask and click OK. Now the green screen is gone, the subject is clean, and you can replace the background with anything you want. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.